how to download and install WinRAR in Windows 11. So this can be really useful to go in zip and also unzip files on your PC. So what we need to do is first go and load up an internet browser, and then from the address bar just type in WinRAR and press enter. You could then click on this top website, which is win-rar.com. Once you're on this website, you can just press the download WinRAR button. You can then scroll down the page and click on download WinRAR. Now after a couple of seconds, this will begin downloading to your computer. So if you click on your downloads folder, you'll see the installation file. Now just go and click on this file like so, and then we can go through the steps to install this onto our PC. So I'm going to press install. You can then select add WinRAR to desktop and also the start menu as well, and then go and press OK. Now once you've done this, you can now zip and also unzip RAR files. So for example, I have these files here on my computer, and if I go and right click on these, I can then select WinRAR, and then I can select add to desktop RAR, and as you can see, it will now compress those files. So if we go and open up this file, you can open this in WinRAR, and here you'll find all of your zipped files, which you can go and unzip like so.